Hello everyone. Today we will cover types of flows in Power Automate and we will create our first automated cloud flow. Let's first understand what is flow in Power Automate. A flow in Power Automate is an automated flow that connects your favorite apps and services to streamline your business process. In Power Automate, flow can be used to automate a wide range of tasks such as sending an email to someone or creating a document and connecting to other cloud service. As in Power Automate, flows are of five types. The first one is automated cloud flow. Automated flows are triggered by events such as an email arriving in Outlook inbox, or a file being created in SharePoint, or a record being updated in a database. Whereas instant cloud flows are triggered manually, such as by clicking a button or sending a comment to a bot. The scheduled cloud flows are triggered on a schedule, such as every day at 9 a.m. or every week on Monday. These three are the cloud flows. Next, come to the desktop flows. Desktop flows are the automated workflow that run on your desktop computer. In previous section, we already discussed about Power Automate desktop. So we can connect our desktop flow to our cloud service. Like I have shown you the two ways we can connect to our cloud service, like direct connectivity and the on-premises gateway. So this desktop flow can be used to automate the task that you normally do manually, such as opening the application, filling out the forms, and moving files. Desktop flows are created using Power Automate Desktop, a separate application that is included in with Power Automate. Whereas business process flow, a visual representation of business process, can be used to guide users through a process and to ensure that all of the necessary steps are completed. These flows can also be integrated with cloud flows and desktop flows to automate parts of the process. For example, guide a user through the process of onboarding a new employee. Next, we will create our first automated cloud flow. So now let's see an example for this. So here I have taken an example in which we will create an automated cloud flow that send an email to whom the task is assigned and when a task is created in the SharePoint list. So here I have created a simple automated cloud flow. Let's open make.powerautomate.com. Here is the simple step. Just click on the create button. Here you can see all the flows we have discussed. Automated cloud flow, instant cloud flow and scheduled cloud flow, desktop flow. So here I'm going to create automated cloud flow. So click on automated cloud flow. Here just provide the flow name and select when an item is created. Before I will show you my SharePoint list. This is my SharePoint task list. When you create a list, the title column will create with that list. And then I have added the description column, which is a multi-line of text column, and assigned to column, which is a person column, and the start date and the end date is the date column. So this is the my list, and when an item I will create by clicking on the new button, the flow will trigger. Here the flow will trigger, and we will send an email to the assigned to people. If I will assign here Haripriya Dhal, then it will send an email to the Haripriya Dhal that the new task is assigned to you. You can create by providing the flow name and then select when an item is created and then click on create. It will come with an when an item is created action. Here you have to provide the site address and list name. Like here I have already provided. Sorry, here. Here just provide the site address and I have provided my list name, which is the task list. Then I have added an action. You can add an action by clicking on add an action. in the middle of the two flows, or you can create a next step. And here you can search for an action. So here I have chosen this action. You can choose this action, send an email V2, and here you have to provide whom you want to send an email, that is your assigned to column. And here you have to provide the subject. Here you have to provide your body part of your email. As I have already created my flow, so I'm deleting this step and I will show you. Here I have done one mistake. Here I need to provide assigned to email. So the email will go to the name provided in assigned to column, and the display name. Here I have added the body part, and here I have given the subject. Now let's run the flow. Before run the flow, just click on save button and then click on test and then click on manually. So we can manually trigger the flow, even if we can automatically run the flow. Before that, we need to test our flow. So click on test button. Now, if we will create an item here, the flow will trigger. So here I will add one task. Let's say SharePoint migration, and just add a description. It is a SharePoint task. Just for an example, I am adding. Then I will provide my name here, Haripriya. So next, we will provide the start date of the task. Just choose any date. It is for an example. So here the end date will be 29, and you can add an attachment also related to your task, and then click on save. Now we will come back to our flow. Now you can see your flow ran successfully and email is sent. Now we will open our Outlook because it is an Outlook action. Click on the new task email. Here you can see that your task title is SharePoint migration, and the task description I have provided to your SharePoint task, and the due date is end date of the task. So like this, we can create automated cloud flow in Power Automate. So that's all for today. In next video, we will see how we can create an instant cloud flow and scheduled cloud flow. Thank you, everyone.